yesterday right before it rained, and I actually got on them and screwed up with my camera stuff, and I got one of the fish I caught on camera. So hoping this afternoon we can get some. I'm actually on this side of the pond today because the wind's blowing everything up against the bank over here. Yesterday it was blowing out of the south and hitting up on that other bank, and that's why I fished over there. Now I normally catch most of the crappie over there, but I figured I'd come here first since it's close to the parking area and try right here. So and I've caught some crappie here, so I usually catch more bass. So yesterday I was catching them really shallow, anywhere from 6 inches to a foot. So, and I'll just show you just a standard float weighted on one end. And then right now I'm using that little jig head right here and a Bobby Garland gold with some flake in it, and that wore them out yesterday, so I'm gonna try it today. I know things can change from one day to the next, but we're gonna try it. We got some rain supposed to come in tonight. It sounds like it's starting to sprinkle a little bit now. I got soaked yesterday. I'd just soon not do that today. Yep. They're feeding. Finally got a little, it ain't much, it's a tiny little thing, so you don't think I'm trying to mess with the camera. That's all it is, it ain't nothing. Little better one. It still ain't much, but it's a little bit better than that. I'll take that. So all I'm doing, I don't have a whole bunch of waves making it move. All I'm doing is just slowly drag it and let it stop, let that jig fall back under it, let it sit there a minute. Just like that. Sit a second. If it hit, it seems like as soon as that jig gets right under it. Not real fast. I guess I might be pulling it maybe a foot each time or so because I got a little more. I'll let it fall a little bit. Looks like this rain kind of kicked them off a little bit. That's a little bitty. But it looks like the rain kind of kicked them off and set them to want to feed a little bit. thing, just slowly pull it and let it fall. And it looks like the slower, oh, I missed it. Looks like the slower I pull it and let it fall, they're hitting it on that fall, but it does a little better like that. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a little better there. Yep, that's a lot better. Oh, still. Oh, still, old girl. That's a little better. That's a little better crappie right there. We'll take that. Really like to have pliers while I'm, especially crappie fishing, because they have their mouths are, you know, can be small. Boy, that's in the meat right there. Well, broke out one. I can't get that out of there. I had to break it off. Let's see, can you, where's it at? Yeah, look at that, broke it off. But anyway, that's not a bad crappie. I'll take that. That was a little bit big. So anyway, I had to change colors, same setup with the float, but let's see if you can see that. I don't know how well you can see it, but just old green head jig and that smoking chartreuse tail. Today, right now, seems to be the ticket because that gold just wasn't working. We're gonna try it again. It's a little tiny one. Yep, she's gone. I don't know what's going on. That one took it. It just wasn't there when I set the hook. Bass. We got time for a little bass. There are 5 million of these things in this pond. I'll look it up. I don't know how many acres it is. It's not a giant pond, but it's pretty good size. It's probably a couple acres, I'm guessing. I may be wrong, it may be bigger than that, but it's big enough. There we go. This sucker. That sucker gagged it, boy. Golly. Well, it ain't no big one, but man, I'll take it. All right, folks. I think I'm wetter than the fish are, but I sure do appreciate you watching. Hate we didn't catch more than we did, but you know, that ain't a bad way to spend a couple hours in the afternoon at a local pond. So until next time, hey, like and subscribe, leave a comment, man, that helps us out, and I'd like to hear from you and where you're at, and man, you can critique it if you want to, whatever you want, that'd be awesome. But until next time.